Dear friends, stomach growling is a common and normal bodily function. While many people associate it with hunger, the sound can occur for several different physiological reasons. What causes stomach growling? The medical term for stomach growling is borborygmi. It occurs when the muscles of the stomach and intestines contract to move air, fluid, and food through the digestive tract. These muscle contractions are part of process called peristalsis, which is essential for digestion. Hunger versus digestion. When the stomach is empty, the digestive system enters a cleaning phase known as the migrating motor complex. During this phase, strong contractions occur to clean out remaining particles, which can create louder sounds. However, stomach growling can also happen after eating as the body continues breaking down food. Other contributing factors of stomach growling. Stomach sounds may increase due to stress or anxiety, caffeine consumption, swallowing excess air, dehydration, and irregular eating patterns. Now we will discuss when the stomach growling is normal. In most cases, stomach growling is completely normal and harmless. However, if it is accompanied by pain, bloating, diarrhea, or unexplained weight loss, medical evaluation may be recommended. Stomach growling is a sign that the digestive system is active and functioning as intended. Besides, understanding this normal process can help reduce unnecessary concern. How to stop stomach growling? Here I am presenting the most simple ways to stop stomach growling. These are as follows. Stay active, address gastrointestinal disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome IBS, avoid gas producing foods and drinks, manage food intolerances such as lactose intolerance. Don't skip meals because empty stomachs growl more. Eat something small, even a snack helps. Eat slowly to reduce noise by swallowing less air. Choose protein because it keeps you full longer. Avoid fizzy drinks because they add gas. Chew gum to reduce hunger sounds. Try drinking water because thirst can cause hunger like sounds. Sit up straight because it helps in digestion. Avoid very spicy foods because they irritate the stomach lining. Manage stress because nerves can trigger stomach growling. This was all about stomach growling. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.